this video we are going to start our new playlist on object detection. So first we have to install our TensorFlow API for our object detection. So I have given you these three links. So we have to download some files before installing our object detection. So if I copy my first link and go to this link, so as you can see it is the official GitHub account of TensorFlow. So for that we have to simple download these files, this zip file. So I have already downloaded these zip files. So I am going to cancel it. Now after in the second link we have a different type of pre-trained models. So you can download any one of them. So these are the pre-trained models. So we don't have to train our model again and again. So we have to just provide this model we have to start training on our images. Any one of them, suppose I'm downloading this. Now I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. So after this we have to copy third link and we have to search it. Now this is a drive link. In the name is utils. So we have to download this utils files, and inside this utils we have our generate tf record and our xml2 csv.py files. So these are the main important files that we want during our training. So we have to download these three files. So now if I show you in my directory, I have already downloaded all these files. Now as you can see we have three files over here. I have choose my model is ssd underscore resnet 50. So if I show you here, so I have downloaded this pre-trained model. So you can download any one of them which you want. So after downloading all these files you have to just go to your Anaconda prompt. You have to create a separate environment for your project. So I'm copying these my commands. So my environment name is tutorials with the version of 3.6. Now suppose I am going to create it. Now after creating it we have to simple activate our content environments. When we have to work on our TensorFlow 1.14 version. We have to press Y. So now we have to activate our environment. For that, suppose we have to write tutorials. So now my environment is activated. Now we have to simple install this TensorFlow version and some libraries. For that we have to just paste it over here and enter. Now till that we have to extract all these files. Now we can delete all these zip files. Now as we can see in our models, we have a file inside this research. We have a file setup.py. Now we have to install this setup.py file. So for that we have to go inside this directory to install these files. Now just we have to change our directory. So let it install first. After that we will try to install our setup.py. Now after setup.py we have to remember one thing, we have to install our protobuf also. So if I show you in my this files, so inside the research folder we have a folder object detection. Inside this we have a folder protos. So we have to convert all these files into our Python file. For that we need to install our protobuf installation. So for that we will see this in our next tutorials, that how we can set our protobuf installation. Now it is taking much time. In this playlist we will see our label img, that how total work is worked, and I have made my Python file also by which you can work on your webcam also. So I will share it after some tutorials. When I will use it I will share the link. and I will tell you that how you can set that file also. Now our installation is complete. Now we have to install our setup.py, and it is nothing but our object detection API. So we can use our object detection. So for to install this file, we have to go inside our this research directory, and we have to open this. Now, okay, now I am clearing my screen. So now we have to just write Python and our file name and our install. As you can see, my our dependencies are all over installed. So in my next video, I will try to share that how we can do our install our Protobuf files. For that, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.